Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Crazy KIDDOZ. So today we are in Kokkare Bellur.
The speciality of this village is we can see the migrating birds roaming around freely. There are so many unexplored places in Karnataka, and this is one of them.
We can see here there are two types of birds. One is the pelicans and one more is the painted storks. So these migrate from Siberia, and the pelicans come in more than 200 pairs, which we can see in December and November.
We can see more than 1,000 painted storks in the Mandya. Look, it's time to fly the birds. Oh my god, it looks so huge. I have never seen such huge birds. Look, it is big. It's so big and it's scratching their bodies. See here, there are many painted storks here.
As in Siberia, it is very cold. They can't lay their eggs, so they come here, migrate here, and they lay their eggs. And after 7 months, they go back to Siberia. This village, the birds are not caged. They are roaming freely in this village, and we are very unlucky to see that.
Yeah, but we are very, very unlucky because we could only get to see the bird, not the natural bird. Hey guys, please do visit this place in October or November. It's going to be a beautiful scene. Thank you for watching our video. Click the bell button. Bye.